Ready to make a Minecraft favorite? Today we're making a balloon creeper. Look, man, cloud action!
Start by pumping up a 260 lime green balloon. Leave a 12cm tail at the end. For this one, don't tie the knot yet. Twist a 6cm bubble, squeeze out the air, and tie the knot there. That way you have a long tail at the start. Then, start by making an 8cm bubble, and then make another one. Now bring the long nozzle over here and twist them around a few times. Make one more 8cm bubble, bring it over here and to secure it, then finally make another 8cm bubble. With the long nozzle at the start, bring these two together. Then with the remainder of the balloon, squeeze out some air and bring it to the other side. Then squeeze out some more air, make it halfway into the balloon, bring the nozzle back into the middle, and twist them around a few times. Now tuck the nozzle underneath the head. Now you've got 4 bubbles that form the creeper's head. With the remainder of the balloon, make a 10cm bubble for the body. For the legs, you're going to make 4 pinch twists. Now onto the third one, and the final pinch twist. With the remainder of the balloon, you can now pop it and tie a knot. You're welcome to either cut it off or wrap the excess bit around the legs and tuck the ends inside. Make sure you've got 4 legs at the bottom and that they're symmetrical, and 4 bubbles for the head. Now the twisting part is done. Onto the drawing part. First, grab a black marker and draw the creeper's face. Draw 2 squares for the eyes. Now onto the nose and the mouth as well. Now you can fill it in with the black marker. For the body, let's add some more Minecraft patterns on it. With a dark green marker, you can start by drawing some random squares. First, we'll draw some solid green squares around. And now let's add some hollow green squares as well. And now you're all done.
Well, I have a balloon creeper. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.